All right, guys, welcome back. From a family tradition to a thriving business, Andrew Salmon has turned the art of leatherwork into a brand that's known for its durability and style. Today, the owner of Salmon's Leather Supplies is taking us step by step through crafting sturdy, stylish slippers right here on the set, made from 100% leather. Okay? How are you doing, sir?
I'm fine, you know. I'm doing
Morning
fine.
to you.
Yeah, good morning.
How things?
Things are right, you know, but long as we have life and we have the skill, can make a bird.
Yeah.
Get me? For the family.
Love that.
It's okay.
Love that. Now you're following in the footsteps of your father,
Yeah,
I've read.
I'm an uncle.
And your uncle as well, right? Who was the bigger person with the leather and the footwear business?
My dad.
Your dad,
My
okay.
Yeah.
So you grew up watching him doing what he was doing?
Yeah, as a little boy, I grew up watching him, building them, going to school, but me more interested in school because more I've come out with education.
Yeah.
I made myself a better person.
And did you?
Yes.
Okay, good.
As I go to college as well.
Nice, okay, all right, good. So you went to college and you still decide to make leather by hand?
Yes.
Why?
Yeah. Because, as we ever say, I love it. I love it from I'm growing up. But when I was growing up, you don't know, things distract you where you have to just, as I say, school, you want to come out, you listen to the teachers, them. But it's still around me.
Yeah.
So every day I go home, I see it, I say, Daddy, let me give you some time. But you get me? This is what it is now.
I love it. Isn't it hard work though, Andrew? Because leather are easy if you just ply and move, and it's not the most malleable material, you know, seriously.
Yeah, give me a can for your hand, but for your love something, you gotta keep on do it till what it is right now.
Yeah, and you're passing down the tradition to your son as well, right?
Yeah.
Who I met earlier on, Andrew Jr.
Yeah,
You tell us that you never give the child a chance.
No,
he had to come follow in the footsteps.
We never have no name. When he was born, we never have no name for give man. I love my name.
Yeah.
So I said, all right, give him the whole of my name.
I love that. Yeah. All right. So since you have taken over the business right now, how has the traction been? People loving what you've created, and where do you sell?
All right. We usually sell in like half a tree. I usually have a shop in the arcade, but through the corona, we'd have to step back and do it at home now. You get me? But we do shows like night market every Tuesday. I would do like a lot of shows. Rebel Salute. Name the shows there.
Yeah.
We're always there trying to promote the slippers there.
What are people saying in terms of their feedback about the shoes?
Wow, people shit, man. People tell me, say, don't stop, do it. People give me all money for it.
What them like? The design, the feel of the leather, what do they like about it?
Yeah, they love it because they always coming back. Family, they ship me off it. They right to say everywhere.
And you have a market overseas as well? Like you've had to send slippers overseas?
Yes, we have a market like in the US and in Canada and in the UK because I have a brother most of the time. I send goods to people because we not do this as well, you know. We repair shoes.
Nice.
We make a lot of things.
Okay, so while you're making it, you're also helping in the repairs of shoes as well. All right, cool. Well, we don't have much time, and I want to get right to it, you know. You brought some pieces here for me. Size 8, you say?
Yeah.
Thank you, Dominique, for telling him I wear size 8. and now let me just hold up the style right now. So tell me about this particular style. What is it?
All right, that style was a spoil, but it become a big style.
The style was a spoil, but it become a big... I said, listen, man, won't he do it? Seriously? Okay.
Because I was doing something and I put it down because it never did good. But I realized something. I said, but wait. Let me get a strap like this. And I did it, I say, but wait, come here there. I'm going to wrap it like this. I'm going to do it like this. I say, what a style this? I say, so man, I say, oh, this is going to look now. And then I look at it and I look at it. I say, no, man, wait there. I'm get a punch. I'm saying, so now I'm punch out here.
I just like how I read the whole story, the whole scenario.
Yeah, I'm a punch out here. I'm a punch out here. I'm like, Stacey, now I shoot this through it now, right now. I say,
see what you're doing.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, but wait, this nice. So I say, so now I get it now, put the last, because you have to put the last on it and make sure, say.
What's it called?
A last.
A last, okay, cool, yeah.
Which is a duplicate foot.
Right, okay.
Yeah,
So it's a heavy piece of foot in them. I tell you, say if anybody to
yeah, because it have to make sure say it firm on the ground.
Yes.
Because same with the foot I got be on it.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, it's a nice weight.
Yeah, so
right.
I start work on it because I know I'm an expert in my...
The boss says he's an expert in that field.
Yeah, so I start work on it now and say, all right, I'm going to see weight I going to become like now. I'm start look on it and start to work on it and make sure say...
You're really an expert because you'd probably punch in the wrong hole in the wrong place, okay?
Yeah, it become where... It become...
Natural over time, yeah, because you did more than one time, right? Okay.
Because...
What's that material, what's that thing called that you're using to punch the hole in it?
Yeah, this is a punch, yeah.
A puncher, okay.
Yeah, it's a leather punch because you have some punch where punch like cloth, but this is a leather one because it have a sturdy for the material.
Got it, okay, all right, go on there.
So we stay so now we punch it like this again. Punch out the hole them.
Oh wow, how many of these can you make in a day?
In a day we can make like 6 pair, depends if the money right, we can make more than that.
Okay, all right. Yeah. And what is the largest amount you've done before in terms of making the slippers?
Like I make like 300 pairs, you know, like 3 weeks.
300 pairs in 3 weeks?
Yeah, as long as the money right.
I hear you. Okay, so the money not right, they can take longer. Okay,
yeah. I like each time.
Just make sure so the money right, all right? If you want it to move fast.
Yeah.
So you have an express fee separate? Because suppose we don't have the right money this moment. You're going to tell me, say, boy, I'm not going to move so fast, you know, so.
Yeah.
So it's going to be 3 weeks instead of 1 week.
All right. Yeah, we'll have that, yeah.
Okay, all right,
yeah,
cool.
We'll have that. As I say, we'll have, like, if you want, if you're going away, like, if you come down today, and you're going away, like, in the evening, and you want the slippers, they pay express fee, and you get the slippers.
That is right, a good businessman.
We always have product off work and putting down, you know.
Okay.
Feel like when customers need, say like, oh, man, I never know you wear a size 8, but I just take up a size 8.
Well, I think because size 8 is usually like the most common, right, for females, I think?
Yeah.
All right. What is this thing right here? Is this Patex?
Yeah, that is, No, not, everybody say it's Patex, you know, but I growing up knowing it as a glue.
But Patex is a glue?
Yeah, everybody said that, but me feel like say it's a glue. But everybody say it's Patex.
Patex
so we have to work with the Patex.
That's what it is by function. It does name the brand name Patex. Right? But this is what you use to put the...
Yeah.
Okay, all right. What is this called?
That is called the rubber. Okay,
got it. And that makes the bottom of the shoes, right?
Yeah.
All right, in terms of durability.
If you want like an original leather, rubber, but leather bottom,
right?
Yeah, we'll have that.
Okay, so you have a leather bottom like this one.
Yeah, but most person like it when it like this because sometimes it's soft.
Got it. Okay, it's more comfortable.
Yeah.
All right, I understand. All right, so, move fast still. We only have 50 seconds, but you want to see you complete this.
Yeah, when it complete it quick, man. All right.
Yeah.
And here it is.
I was asking you about durability. I was asking you, you know, when you do something like this, how long can the slipper last for?
Last time a customer come back 10 years. That's when I first had my first name. Like, I did name them first Andrew Salmon.
Okay.
The slippers wear.
Right.
Until I'm growing up and she say, it's a family business. I mean, I say, no, say Salmon's leather supply is very...
It's a nice name. And it will serve the next generation and the next generation after that. And I like the fact as well that you do other things inclusive of the slippers for the females. You have slippers for the males as well. You have some wallets here.
And you have belts.
And you have belts.
And what's so fortunate about the belts, you can change your buckle whenever you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. See there, you just snap it open.
Yeah.
And you just change your buckle.
Yeah.
No, but it's a good something, man. Tell the people where they can find you as we wrap up the interview.
You can find me at 4 Balmaji Avenue, or you can find me on Instagram. You can find me on WhatsApp. We have a WhatsApp number 563 80 71. You know, you got to add on there 1876.
Of course, have to.
front
The
part.
area code have to be there.
But personally, right now, what I'm doing is an online business, mostly. What
Okay.
I'm doing right now.
All right, got it. No
Yeah.
problem. Congratulations on the business, you know.
Yeah.
Really, really good
Yeah.
stuff. You're going to make this for me, and then we're going to show everybody at the end of the show what
right.
the complete thing looks like, right?
All right, yes, I will.
But how long the patex take? Well, let me call it glue, because you know what I call it patex. How long the glue take for dry now?
All right, it take about 5 minutes.
And this big heavy something has to dry on the bottom of it?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, because
all right.
as we say, we add something to it to make it stronger as well, you know. You
Learn
get me?
something
But
new
it's a
every
secret that we don't share.
You don't want to share with everybody. That's your secret
Yeah,
sauce.
yeah.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Andrew
So-
Salmon, owner and proprietor of Salmon's Leather Supplies. That's the name of the business. We're taking a break. We'll soon come back. Good stuff, man. Congratulations on the business.